Hello, I'm Angie, and today I wanted to show you how to use StreamYard into your Facebook group. The reason you would do that is if you were doing some show and tell stuff, so if you were showing someone on screen something and recording your screen, it also gives you the chance so you could do both. You could switch between using the screen and using just the camera on yourself. With Facebook Live, there's the option to do one or the other and not to interact both. I don't know if that's changed since, but it's very clunky. It's okay for just doing chatting or just doing showing, but it's not so simple to switch between the two. So we use StreamYard for that. Now, to access StreamYard through your Facebook group or page, you have to click on the More button and then go into Edit Group Settings. And in here, there's an apps area. So if you go to Add Apps, and then it will take you to the screen where you can then find the one that you actually want. This may take a little time to get through. Yeah, maybe a little bit longer than you anticipated. Yeah, okay, it's saying it's unresponsive. So once you found StreamYard and accepted it, you add it in there. And then the next thing we need to do is go to StreamYard.com. So let's go there. And in there, you need to add that to that destination, that Facebook group that you've just uploaded the app to. You need to add that into here. So you click on Add Destination, and there you can choose from where you want to, whether a page, a group, or a profile. LinkedIn, YouTube, Periscope, not heard of that one before, one to look out for, Twitch, and then customer RTMP. That's for if you don't see your platform up there. Okay, that's really interesting. Okay, so they stream into quite a few different places. So you would go to your group. So click on here, and if you've already connected in, it should then be able to show you all the different places where you can actually use to do that. Okay, so then you would just choose which groups. That's great. So if we go back, we go then to broadcast. So when you want to actually do the broadcast, you come into StreamYard, and you know your Facebook group is all set up and they're all linked. And then you go into create a broadcast. Now I'm going to do it into my Getting to Grips with Canva in 5 days group, because I know there's no one in there, so I could delete it if I need to. So let's have a look. So let's just say hello and welcome. Testing. And this bit here, add comment instructions to my post. Now, this is important because if you are doing a live into your group using StreamYard, if they start commenting on the live, you won't be able to see their name. So if they click the link in the comment, the top part of the comment, you will then see who has asked you the question or who said hello and things like that. So it's important to keep that there. And then create broadcast. Entering the broadcast studio, and then you can change your name and things like that. So that's that, and then enter the broadcast. And just going to move my picture along because you don't sort of have any audio or visual until you've clicked add to stream. So add that bit to stream, and then in the top right hand corner you can see go live. Are you ready? And then go live, and you should then get a live button coming up here, and you are live. So you are now live into your Facebook group, saying hello to everybody. And then if you see here, you've got an area where you're going to see the comments coming in. However, you're not able to put comments in, but you will see the comments from those that are in your group. And here you can share screen, invite others to come and join you on the call that you're doing. So you can have more than one. You can have 1, 2 or 3 participants by the look of it. And then you can leave the studio and you end broadcast. So when you're done, end broadcast, it says, are you sure, kind of thing. So you say yes, end broadcast, and it's done. And then it asks you how